Welcome back. Tonight, as the gentle rain begins to fall, let's journey to a quiet temple garden in Kamakura. Our first word means rain.
雨、雨、
Listen to the sound of the rain.
雨の音が聞こえます。
In early summer, Japan enters Tsuyu, the rainy season. The skies turn soft and gray, but the gardens come alive with color. Our next word means flower.
花、花、
The flowers are blooming beautifully.
花が美しく咲いています。
The star of this season is the Ajisai, the hydrangea. These delicate blooms change color depending on the soil, shifting from deep blue to vibrant purple. Our next word means blue.
青い、青い、
The blue hydrangeas are glowing in the mist.
青いアジサイが霧の中で輝いています。
At temples like Meigetsu-in, thousands of these flowers line the stone paths. Walking among them feels like stepping into a dream. Our next word means temple.
お寺、お寺、
The old temple is very peaceful.
古いお寺はとても静かです。
Rain doesn't wash away the beauty, it enhances it. Each drop rests on the petals like a tiny jewel, bringing life to the earth. Our next word means beautiful.
美しい、美しい。
The rainy season has its own beautiful charm.
梅雨には美しい魅力があります。
As the rain continues its gentle rhythm outside, let it wash away your worries. Close your eyes and rest well. Good night.
おやすみなさい。